Abakori Emeremo anene bali beserikali Nekeombe Kwerikkia na pension fund kyagendera Kwerikkia bamenyi Becounty eri ya Nyamira elinde bachikurigireria ebese yabo kero bakore Emeremo yabo ase serikali mulikito job mangi na ikirana sensemeyo na gutwara ni roboti rokubatyo
Nekeombe ya county pension fund ekigeko gacha ensemo yechibesa cy'abakori Emeremo ekikoro kwa pension nigo kigendetse Kwerikkia abakori Emeremo kurwase chi county ao imense cha Kenya.
Just want to confirm that we have done this elsewhere in all the counties, and we want to encourage other counties elsewhere, and even any other person who is joining or who is working in the county government who is not saving for retirement, that we have other products like the voluntary pension arrangements under the individual pension plan, which they can actually take advantage of and also save.
Kago kwana nabaliki bamangana maya ekero omirana nababwatani ao imiye county Nyamira George Okioma oyole umurai wemeroberio asekiombe ya CPF nateba eganga yabo enene nokugachira abakori Emeremo chibesa nakoba ekero chinga kibatabukiri Emeremo
chibesa chi county pension fund gasya eno coach manage on your behalf asiri bagari yao egereri tukoliriyo kwa retire toko chibesa oisego kwa abantu ba family yao nabo igo CPF ne akana chibesa cyose bali bawo bakore kipatigarete
nateba nigo chibesa ekikikorusigwa asensemo yo musara aseserikali ye county egogwakanira ensemo yende
bochanga percentage nkego yo chibesa cyao ne county government nero yakorwera 15% na equal 12%.
Nachengera obwamate obuyaba bwatene county Nyamira asate bambachiko bwatera na kegima.
We are excited about this opportunity, and we are very grateful that the employees and particularly the leadership of Nyamira County has always chosen the county pension fund as their scheme of choice for purposes of saving for retirement for employees.
Nasemi abakori Emeremo kurwa ensemo yabo yemesara asebyombe bya pension elinde batware obugima obuya ekero bakolire Emeremo
nyore opportunity ende yonse bibagariro inchovis cheito abakori gaswetombaro babakonye chiform egere nayo safe for retirement obugima bwa retirement no bakongu sana buna marweire buna tokona kokota minutinga goikotware chibese echiko chikokonya ekero kwa retire
kurwase county Nyamira ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi.